Guys, it's a beautiful location. It's set high up in the Pyrenees, so you've got beautiful hikes pretty much from your doorstep wherever you stay. It's a very small country, so it's kind of one to tick off the bucket list for us, and I'm really glad we came. Very alpine. I don't know what it is about mountains, but I love them. I just really love being in them, seeing them, climbing them. I want to do more mountain climbing. I haven't really done any proper peaks. Olympic blueberry mouth catching, are you ready? Oh!
Is that? And go.
I'm going for a high parabola. Oh! No, it doesn't work. Oh, come on, James. One more. Oh, it's perfect shot! He hasn't done it. He's failed the Olympic blueberry challenge. It's also insanely quiet here. Not very many people. It's September, which is a good time to come because it's not busy. It's getting a bit late in the day. I would like to go conquer that mountain up there. That one. But I think it might be a bit late. The other interesting thing about Andorra is that it's a tax haven. So you can buy stuff really cheaply here. So actually we might do a little bit of outlet shopping whilst we're here. Just to take the vlog down a notch.
And we're back in Spain.
Thoughts on Andorra?
No need to go again.
I wouldn't go again.
No.
But
Good to take it off the list.
exactly, we've visited yet another European country that none of us have ever been to before, which is rare.
This is an amazing road to drive on.
Guys, we've just stopped off at the side of the road because check out this view. What? It cray cray. This road, as you can see, is on the very edge of a mountain, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty high up. It's very windy, not so good for us peeps with a disability that is car sickness. Called Boichols? I have no idea how you pronounce that.
What a view. We should wild camp here. How are you feeling?
Great.
What happened?
I feel a bit sick
Why?
because too many turns, too much undulation in the roads for me. My weak stomach.
We just came over the mountains actually. Really craggy, lovely mountains with pine forests on. I think it's a kind of confluence of a couple of national parks. That was a super nice drive. I can't recommend this drive enough. And then we just stopped in Boichol, which is a beautiful little town, actually. And seems to be deserted, so probably the epicenter of a zombie apocalypse. I'm thirsty. I hope that's drinking water. The zombies are locked in the church. This is the church, by the way, guys. It's like a really old church.
Okay, we are back in our tent at a different campsite, but we came out of Andorra and now we're back in Spain. But tomorrow we're going kayaking, and at the moment we feel pretty tired. What is your highlight from today?
The drive was really nice, really good drive.
Yeah.
It's not the route, it's kind of off the highways. Big tip for driving around Spain is that you pay a toll for the motorways, and actually the other roads around the motorways are actually probably more beautiful, better for driving and totally free. So I'd recommend doing that, which is what we did today thanks to Navigator James.
Navigator James literally said he picked the road because it looked squiggly on the map. So
Only pick squiggly.
That's a good thing to go by apparently. Anyway, so tomorrow we're going kayaking and we're excited about that, so we're gonna go get some sleep now. But thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a little like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. There's lots more to come from Spain, and we do these kinds of traveling videos all the time. And if you do subscribe, then we hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
You might be wondering about this headband, by the way. I have this headband with me because I used to have long hair and the barber cut it too short before I left, and now I've got quite short hair, but I still got the headband, and I just think it looks alright.